welcome to Wednesday's spelling lesson. So today we're going to be looking at tricky words, which are also called common exception words, but we just know them as tricky or red words. So to start with, I would like you to tell somebody or write it down for me to see, what does it mean if something is a tricky word? We've got a couple of words up here as an example. You might want to try reading these out. What does it mean? What do we mean when we explain to somebody that a word is a tricky word? So pause the video, have a go at telling somebody what that is or writing it down. Okay, so as we know, tricky words are words where you can't use your phonics, you just have to know them. It means that there's sometimes some sneaky letters, some silent letters, just words, weird words in our language which don't fit the rules for phonics. Right, to start with, we're going to do a little spelling check. So I'm going to read a word and I would like you to have a go at writing it down. And remember, these are red words, so there will be sneaky letters, there will be some letters that you don't think should be there using your phonics. So let's have a go at these words. I think there are 10. So your first word is wild. Wild. You can pause the video each time and have a go at writing that down. Climb, like I want to climb up a tree. Mind, mind. Kind, find. Behind, child, children, because, and I, like the I that you use to see. So you can have a go at writing all those words. And now let's have a little look and see if you got any of them right. And you can give ticks for each one that you got right. Smiley faces for any that you got wrong. So have a little look using these words to correct. If you have a purple pen at home, you could use a purple pen like we do in school to correct your words. All right, so what is tricky about these words? These are all the words that you just spelt or tried to spell. I would like you to pick 5 of these words. You don't need to do all of them, that will take you so long. Just pick 5. And maybe you could write the word out, you could circle the part that is tricky, you might underline it. And can you tell me what is tricky about your 5 words that you have chosen? So for example, if I chose the word wild, the part that's tricky there is the I there. Because if I'm using my phonics, and this is phonics that I learnt in reception, I would say willed. But it's not, it's that sneaky I. It's a long, stretchy I. Do you remember we've learnt that in phonics at school? Wild. So choose 5 of these words, write them out and tell me why they're red and why they're tricky. Okay, your final activity today before we do our sentence. We have got 4 sentences here. You are going to write them out using your best handwriting and put one of these words in. You've got 2 choices. Either you might want to do a silly nonsense sentence, which is very silly and doesn't make any sense, or you might try and find which of these words makes sense in each of these sentences. It's up to you. So pause the video and have a go at doing that. And our last activity is you are going to listen to my sentence. You are getting so good at this. You're going to blow my socks if I know when we come back to school on the 8th of March. Listen to the sentence and write it down. This is actually quite a long one, so you might need to hear it a few times. I could not find my ball, but the kind child helped me climb the tree. I could not find my ball, but the kind child helped me climb the tree. Let's count those. I could not find my ball, but the kind child helped me climb the tree. I had 15 there. If you've got that, there's another little extra sentence. We saw it was behind the wall. We saw it was behind the wall. 7. I'll read the whole thing again. It's 2 sentences. I could not find my ball, but the kind child helped me climb the tree. Full stop. We saw it was behind the wall. Let's have a look. I could not find my ball, but the kind child helped me climb the tree. We saw it was behind the wall. And I'll be so impressed, beyond impressed, if you spell could correctly with that "oh you lucky duck." So well done for today, and check back tomorrow for some more amazingly fun spelling. Bye!